I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change the oil in a Toyota Corolla. Before we begin, safety is paramount. Always wear appropriate personal protective equipment, like safety glasses and gloves, to prevent injury. Make sure your Corolla is parked on a flat, stable surface and is properly secured with jack stands. It's also crucial to let the engine cool down for about 30 minutes to avoid burns from hot oil. Now let's get to draining the old oil. First, find the oil drain plug, usually a bolt on the lowest part of the oil pan. Position your oil drain pan directly underneath it to catch the used oil. Carefully unscrew the plug and let all the old, dark oil drain completely. This usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Once drained, replace the drain plug with a new crush washer and tighten it to 29 foot-pounds. Next up is replacing the oil filter. You'll typically find the oil filter cartridge near the front of the engine. Use an oil filter wrench to carefully loosen and remove the old filter, being mindful of any residual oil. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin layer of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. Then, hand tighten the new filter until it's snug, and give it an additional 3/4 of a turn with the wrench. Finally, let's add the fresh oil and check the levels. Remove the oil filler cap, usually marked with an oil can symbol, from the top of your engine. Consult your owner's manual for the exact type and amount, typically around 4½ quarts of 5W20 synthetic oil. Pour it in slowly. Start the engine for a few minutes, then turn it off. Wait 5 minutes, then check the dipstick and top off if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.